Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Metamask. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back. All right, go ahead and start by opening up your Phantom Wallet. If you haven't done installing the Phantom Wallet extension right here, don't worry. Click on the three dots or three horizontal lines right here at the top right, and then hover over the extensions section and just click on Visit Web Store. And here, just go ahead and type down Phantom, hit on Enter, and click on Phantom, and just click on Install, all right, or Add. Now, once that's done, go ahead and open up the Phantom Wallet in here. Now what you'll do is just sign in, okay? Once signed in, click on your profile at the top left, then go ahead and click on the plus sign that says Add Account, okay? Click on it, and then once done, the easiest and fastest way to connect your MetaMask to Phantom is by importing a recovery phrase. So just click on it, and you might be asking, where do we find the recovery phrase? Go ahead and find your saved text files or wherever you might have stored your recovery phrase. If not, if it's your first time, you can go ahead and go to MetaMask, click on the three horizontal lines. Now click on Account Details, and in here, just click on Secret Recovery Phrase, okay? Click on it and just follow the simple prompts from here. And then once done, you will be given the recovery phrase. Make sure to save it on a safe place. And then once done, copy it right here, okay? Paste everything from 1 to 12 and then hit on Import, okay? If you have a 24-word recovery phrase, you're going to want to click on this option, okay? Again, hit on Import. Now once done, when you go ahead and check your Phantom Wallet, and click on your account right here, instead of account 1 only, you will have an account 2. That means you have successfully connected your MetaMask account, okay? You can now go ahead and rename your accounts right here. Rename it in MetaMask. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.